Submitting documents to eBay for account approval is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your submission is successful. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that eBay requires for account verification. This may include a government-issued ID, proof of address, and any other relevant information. Step 2. Log into your eBay account. Access your eBay account by visiting the eBay website and entering your login credentials. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 3. Navigate to the verification section. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the section related to account verification or document submission. This is typically found under Account or Seller Account. Step 4. Upload your documents. Follow the prompts to upload the documents you gathered in Step 1. Ensure that the files are clear and legible and that they meet eBay's specified format and size requirements. Step 5. Submit and confirm. After uploading your documents, review everything to ensure accuracy. Click the Submit button to send your documents for approval. You should receive a confirmation message or email indicating that your submission was successful. Once you have completed these steps, wait for eBay to review your documents. They will notify you of the approval status via email.